Deborah, welcome. So you want to stop giving away your time for quick questions and other follow-up questions. For example, a successor trustee who wants to do the trust admin himself for a trust that you did for his cousin. So successor trustee is a fellow BNIer, had referred his cousin to you. Now he and his co-trustee have had several quick questions since the cousin passed a couple of months ago. Another successor trustee for whom you did a $950 trust review after her father passed now has questions and wants help with a couple of quick documents. Great. So I'm taking this question ahead of time, even though it's not going to, the specifics are not going to apply for many, for all of you. That especially those of you that are in the boot camp. But the broad question here is what applies for all of you. How do you stop giving away your time for quick questions? It comes down to very clear boundaries and being able to say, sure, I would love to help you with a couple of quick documents. Here's my fee for that. Sure, I would love to help you with the quick questions you have about your cousin's plan. Here's my fee for that. Now, let's talk about what your fee should be when you're in these post-death situations. So the big picture here is that when somebody dies, you are going to charge $950 to review the plan that existed, the assets that existed, how they were titled, and what needs to happen to administer the plan. So in one case, we know that Deborah did this because Deborah did the $950 review after her father passed. And in one case, I'm not clear if that happened. And Deborah, I see that you are on the phone, but I need you to, if you want me to unmute you, I'll need you to put in your PIN. So the team will work with you on that so we could unmute you. So in this case, the successor trustee wanted to do the trust admin himself. Great. In that case, he hasn't paid you to ask quick questions. So now, if he's coming back to you with several quick questions, you're going to need to quote a fee for that. And the answer is, I'd love to answer your quick questions, as we talked about at the plan review, at the reading of the will, at the review of the trust after your cousin died, whatever you called it. Here's what my fee is for that. Here's what my fee is for that. And same with the sister. I did a $950 trust review. Now she has questions and wants help with a couple of quick documents. I'm curious, in both of these cases, what was the fee that you quoted to help them handle the administration? Maybe there's an opportunity here for a drop-down fee, a smaller fee where you are coaching them, you aren't doing it for them. So let's find out how it went after those two meetings. Hi, Deborah, welcome.
Hi, Ali, thanks.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, what was the last question?
So in both of these cases, you did the $950 post-death review where you said,
I only did that.
okay.
I only did that for the second one.
What happened with the first one?
So nothing. We've just kind of, been in contact because we're both in BNI. And so when his uncle passed, he just started asking questions. And not his uncle, his cousin.
Got it. So let me understand this better. Let's take them each individually. So successor trustee of cousin's estate, who you did a plan for, cousin passed.
Yes.
That's true. You have not done a post-death admin, here's what you need to do to administer this trust and estate meeting with them yet.
Right, and he just wanted to do it himself. He doesn't want, he doesn't think he wants help with administering the estate. He wants to do it himself. Him and his brother.
But he has some quick questions. And so the way he's going to get those quick questions answered is in a meeting with you, where you will go over everything with him, everything that needs to be done. You'll tell him what he needs to do. You'll answer all of his quick questions, and that's $950.